Hello, Saviors, and welcome back. My name is Savar24, and today we're going to be continuing Deadbolt. Now, as we saw last time, I really was not doing that well. But now we're going to try and do this in a much more calm and nimble-minded ideals. The flames roar to life, and I see visions inside. My candle has searched but never returned. The second address is familiar to the fireplace. I'll find what happened to the candle. Zombies have hung up security cameras. They don't do much, but will scream if it sees me for too long. I'll avoid them or shoot them down. Candles are the eyes and ears of the flame, always observing and bringing information. The Boogeyman, or the Bogeyman. A hammer. Hammer time? So where does this take me? Can either take me here, or it can take me up here, but that'll put me right in front of that guy who could probably warn that guy, which will pretty much just warn everybody. I could go here and try and take out that guy. I don't see any security cameras anywhere around. Or I could go up here, and it looks like that is my candle, but I would have a lot to deal with. Okay, so... Oh. Okay, so let's start with this guy down here. Or maybe... Yep, there we go. So now he's dealt with. Yep, there we go. Okay. There are two guys on the toilets, but I can only deal with one of them via a particular way. Ooh, there we go. Bullseye. Okay, so where's the vent that leads to that guy? I want to deal with him the special way. That way leads up here. I think his toilet thing led down here. Oh, it led from one toilet to another. Okay. I think that's the way it worked. Oh man, I am doing so well like this. Yep, led from one toilet to another, but as soon as I pop out of the toilet, I'm immediately gonna get punished. Okay. Alright, so let's see, how am I gonna do this? That was simple enough. I guess, I don't know. That's tough. Crap. Oh, I was doing so well up until that point. Ah, crap. Well, I completely messed that up. Gosh, I don't know what to do now. I'm out of shotgun shells and... Dang it! I completely messed that out right out of the gate. Okay, so let's switch to the knife and just get rid of that. Okay. Okay, so the hammer took care of him pretty well. Wait, I could still get back my knife if I could get up there? Good lord. Okay, come on, come on, come on. You know what, let's use the other knife. Wow, hammer's in the way. Yeah, there we go. Just, whoo, chkink. Oh wow, I missed. There we go. Much better. You know what, they probably set this up that way for a particular reason. Oh! Okay, I've got this. This one is in the bag. I only died once, so that's good. Bullseye! Yeah, now you just got the one guy to deal with. Let's stay here and wait for him to come back. There we go. He's done. And I am clear. I am in the clear. Doesn't look well. The candle is clutching a note. Cold, where are you? Go 1023 8th NE Highway Avenue. Thanks. Now it's time to get back to my car. So it looks like my candle is dead. You're twitching out, dude. He's like dancing in his death. It's like... Okay, then. The Boogeyman. I did it. I only died twice. Really? I got only 33 headshots. I'm pretty sure I got a lot of headshot kills. Oh well. The flames roar to life. The zombie kings have become scared of my hunt. They have begun heavily guarding a nearby motel. I will find what they are hiding. The candles tell me that zombie kings patrol are nearby. I'll have to be quick in case there are reinforcements. Wait, do I have to reinforce my place or something? Find the location of Roland's warehouse. There's, they got no heads. Have you heard about Reaper? Gurgle. What? They're like sentries or something? Oh, that's... Well, that didn't work. Okay. Redo! There we go. Okay, so there's that guy down. Pop! It's a really loud pop. How does nobody hear that? So, how am I to deal with these guys? Wow, there's all kinds of places I could go, but every single one of them... how am I supposed to do this? That is a good question. Oh, wait a minute. I think I get it. They can only look in one specific location. So, if I leave their bodies alone, but if I pop behind their heads, they won't notice me. And when their heads die, so do they. Oh my gosh. My guess is I'm going to have to go in a blaze of glory for this one. I don't think there's really getting any silence around it. But at least these guys give me Uzis. That's nice. half-used Uzis. Okay, so let's go downstairs. Let's switch out my suppression, because I'm going to need all the firepower I can get. The best approach, I think, is going to be using the bathrooms. And I don't know if I should probably start up and work my way down. That would make a lot of sense. That would make a lot of sense. Maybe I can do this silently. Well, for this first part anyways. So let's get my knife and my suppressed pistol back. Oh, I thought that was my gun. No, my gun's down here. Okay, so let's... Here we go. Well, I don't know any other way to really do this stealthily. Maybe I can do it stealthily, but who knows? Turn your backs. Ah! Okay, that's not the way to do it then. Is that a knife or a gun? I wanted to say that's a gun. That's a gun. Okay. That didn't work. Okay. Oh, look! Cassette tape unlocked. I guess it's a random drop? Okay, so let's grab the hammer. Then I go all the way up here, and I can deal with these two pretty quickly. I still get my hammer back. I don't know. I guess there's nothing else for it but to go out in a blaze of glory. Or, a blaze of glory? What in the world? Blaze of glory. Okay, so... Dang it, I was completely missing that. Okay, so pick up the hammer, and nobody below heard me, so this guy is completely unsuspecting. And now, bullseye! Yeah! Now all I need to do is deal with the heads down there. And I am good to go. Oh, wait, hold on. Not going to be that easy. I just noticed that one of the heads is looking this way. Run and gun? Yeah, it worked! Uh-oh. I wonder what happens. I wonder if this is going to be a good idea. Yep, there we go. Okay, good enough. I'm through. Now what? Oh, find information. Okay. So let's enter the vent. Right, it was here at the top of the stairs. I could have just... Well, this is a different way to pick locks, but... Okay. I got the information now to get out of here. Leaving a trail of destruction in my wake. Yeah, I didn't expect it. After the last one, I really didn't get much. So I got 10 more souls. Good for me. I kind of really want to get that scythe. That looks like a good weapon to have. The flames roar to life and I see visions inside. Their location, explained. Burn the ash, burn the dead, and free souls contained. My mission is to destroy all the ash, but it is the best if I focus on killing the undead first. Yeah, probably. So I'm doing pretty well with the suppressed pistol, and destroy the warehouse where the zombie kings store their drugs. That looks like vampires, not zombies. You need more men protecting the ash. Bring your own. What are these guys? Oh wow, what in the world are those? Creepy, that's what they are. I don't know how to go about this. This is an odd situation. Yeah, those are definitely vampires. Bullseye, but now I'm kind of stuck. Oh man, I don't know what to do now. Yeah, I'm screwed. These guys are definitely vampires. I mean, there's that guy right there hanging on the wall. Okay, so that went off pretty well. A lot better than I thought it was going to. Let's just deal with you real quick. There we go. I was missing. I'm not sure what to do here. Maybe I can kill those girls and get their knives. That thing won't see me, so it could probably work. Possibly. Maybe. I don't know. I'm guessing at this point. Okay, so I can fall off the building. That's good. Gosh, I don't know what to do at this point. Oh, man. Yep. I figured that was going to happen. Oh, man. Okay, he's grabbed the shotgun. Switch it around for the hammer real quick. It just bounced and still killed him. That's pretty good. Okay, so pop that and drop down. I kind of wish I had a suppressed auto weapon at this point. You know what? Maybe I can do this. I'm still in the shadow, so they can't really see me. It worked! I can't believe that worked. Now let's get the handgun. Can I pull this off? Possibly? Bullseye! There's one dead. All I gotta do is shoot them in the head and they're good. Yeah! Get rid of the sentries. Apparently a light too. Wow, there's a lot of guys. Okay, so I gotta destroy all the ash, but is there another way I could do this? Oh. Ooh, that was close. Okay, so let's just get rid of you. I see you, so I'm gonna need to grab the shotgun or the 2 Uzis. Start dealing with you real quick. Crap. Alright, well, let's just deal with this guy. Okay, quickly, run back, run back. Out, out. I can't make precise shots here. This is gonna be kind of difficult. Good enough. He didn't drop a gun, though. And neither did the girls. The girls didn't drop their knives like I thought they would. Whoa, what the? Headshot? Unintentional? What is this? A 10mm pistol. It's probably better than the shotgun. Okay, so let's burn the ash. Burn all the ash. Bunch of ash holes, I tell you. How did I forget about that guy? Okay, let's switch to the SMG. Burn all the ash. Really? 3 headshots. Oh, looks like I'm done. Is there more to this level? Good lord. Or not. I think I'm... Oh, yeah. Stage cleared. Return to your car. Wow, this is a long way. I didn't know... I didn't expect that. I don't know if there's only going to be 1 level left after this, or if or if something else is going to happen. But as far as I know, that's going to be a trip. So yeah, there's my score. Good enough. I don't care. I did it. I did it! With very few deaths this time. So that's going to have to be it for me, because this was a lot of fun. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Leave a comment in the section down below, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Take care, everybody.